In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all history from Google My Activity so you can quickly clear your search, YouTube, and location history. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to the Google My Activity page. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account whose history you want to manage. This is important because many people have multiple accounts, and you might accidentally clear the wrong one if you're not paying attention. You can always confirm by checking the profile icon in the top right corner of the page. Once you're on the My Activity homepage, you'll see a summary of the activity Google has saved, such as web searches, YouTube videos you've watched, and location information. At the left side or top of the page, look for an option called Delete or Delete Activity By. Click that to open the delete settings. You'll be given a few choices for how much you want to delete. If you want to clear everything, choose the option that says All Time. This tells Google you want to remove your entire history, not just today or a custom date range. If you prefer to only remove a specific period, you can select a custom range instead. But for this walkthrough, we'll focus on deleting all history. Next, you'll see options for which types of activity you want to delete. This is where you can include your web and app activity, your YouTube search and watch history, and your location history. Carefully read the categories and make sure the boxes are checked for everything you want to remove. If your goal is a full reset, select all relevant categories here. After making your selections, click Next or Delete, depending on what you see. Google will show a confirmation screen explaining what's about to be removed. Take a moment to review this. Once you confirm, the deletion process starts, and your chosen history will be cleared from your account. This usually happens quickly, but very large accounts may take a bit longer. When you're done, it's a good idea to review your activity controls. On the same My Activity page, look for Activity Controls, or Data and Privacy. Here you can pause saving certain types of activity, or set auto-delete to remove data after a specific time, like 3 or 18 months. This helps keep your history from building up again in the future. And that's how you quickly and thoroughly delete your Google search, YouTube, and location history from Google My Activity.